Hello, hi. So I'm thinking of painting a California poppy. So this is full bloom season and I didn't get to go there, so I'm gonna create my own California poppy bloom.
What did you do
So
first?
so what I'm gonna do is I have just some water in this brush. So I just put some water on the brush to just wet the canvas so that the color will be spread easily. So just first I'm gonna like paint the sky here, so I'm just painting this with water, the top half
Okay,
first now.
got it.
Yeah, so
And what
then
did you do here?
so I have mixed like cadmium white and then some blue colors here. This is gonna be my sky color. So let me mix and see what color it turns into. So I think we'll need a little more blue, but we'll see.
What is
All
this?
right, so I'm gonna intensify the blue on the top because that's how the sky looks like. So if you see in the daytime, the 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 top of the sky is generally darker than the horizon. So that's what I'm trying to achieve here by intensifying the top of portion of the sky. So yeah, so mostly did this and then let's see. Uh, how's the sky?
Sky is good.
Looking good?
Looking bright and sunny.
Yeah, it's sunny California.
This is the real sky.
What do you think about the background music? So, I'm going to the next step now. So, the color is almost dried, the blue is almost dried. So, I'm gonna put like just some water on the rest of the canvas and paint it like different type of greens, and that would be my base. And that then I'm gonna like create the mountains and the flowers and everything. So, it's just a base coat that I'm gonna apply now. Right, so there are different kind of green. So this one is sap green, sap green. This is some, I don't remember.
Sorry,
So
can you say that again? Which is
so
sap green?
this one is sap green.
Uh-huh.
If you can get the color
Mm-hmm.
from that, the green colors, I can tell you what colors these are. So you show the colors on top.
So this is what?
So this
Sap
is the
green.
Yeah, so you mix that, and then there are some more greens also. You can mix those.
Hmm.
Not that one. I haven't mixed that yet. Yeah, so you'll see the darker green. Yeah, that one. That's the main one. Yeah.
And then some yellow.
Yeah, I'm gonna like mix some yellow. This is cadmium yellow, and just make some base colors here. Then I'm gonna like dab. So this is like one mountain, and this one would be like another mountain. Right, another mountain. All these like rolling hills. I'm gonna just make some background base colors now, and then we're gonna make it pop in a minute. And like first paint this, make it dry, then we'll make the textures, the flowers. This is the second mountain. Not mountains, they're rolling hills. So the base is like kind of done, but still needs some more color, some more water based
So this is the
mixing.
sky, and these are the mountains.
Yeah, the mountain is trying to mix the color little well.
And still some white patches.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's gonna be covered, but yeah, still it's better to mix it.
Yes.
Oh, so I'm gonna like start painting, adding the details of the flowers that I can see on the there is some like purple flowers, there are some yellow flowers, and then the poppies. Right, so you see that detail. I'm trying to add that. Right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put some color in this sponge. Okay, then I'm gonna just dab in here so that it's like a nice mix of colors can be seen. Right, so like little bit detailing with this.
So what are you doing now?
So I'm trying to add some texture.
Oh, looks nice from far.
Does it?
Mountains are colorful with
Yeah. So
yellow, violet.
Yeah. So the in California, I don't know the name of the flowers, like some purple color, some yellow color flowers.
What is this here at the bottom?
Just making some like
Grass?
yeah, some grass like structures around.
Are you going to be painting any more flowers?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna paint more flowers, but just adding some structure to the glass. Look at my phone. What did I say? Some structure to the glass.
Some structure to the
Glass.
grass, to the painting.
Yeah.
Kind of do the outline, and then you will focus on the
Yeah.
flowers and more detailed objects.
Green poppies.
Fiery poppies getting painted now.
Started to paint a little bit of poppies.
Will you be drawing any clouds? No.
It's like
It's a clear, sunny, bright day.
yeah, like summers.
Summer or spring, I guess, right?
Yes, but what do you think? Is it okay?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Thank you. So I'm gonna start painting the poppies now. So I'm using this cadmium red hue and mixing it with a little bit of this cadmium yellow medium hue, and this gives me almost poppy color. But it's coming a little like transparent, so that's a problem. So I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of white and see if that fixes the problem. But it's just the color, the type of the color I'm using. It's not, yeah. So I think, yeah, this will fix it. A little tiny bit of white would do.
Alright, so here we have the California Super Bloom.
Like this is the final product. So what I did, I started with painting the sky. So I mixed aquamarine blue and white and painted the sky first. So and then took a little more aquamarine blue and like deepened up the top part of the sky, because that's when you see the real sky. So the top part is generally darker and the bottom part towards the horizon, that's a little lighter, that's a little brighter. So that's what I tried to do. And then what I did, I just painted the base color a green mountains, like just a plain green mountain base color. I let it dry. Then after it's dried, I started painting the different color flowers that you see in the super bloom. So there are yellow flowers, purple flowers, kind of violet flowers, and then poppies.
This
so
is what you used to.
yeah, so I use like half of a sponge
Sponge
to
to-
like paint the distant mountains.
Right.
And I also, for the poppies, I did painted with this. Then I also use brush because poppies are a little bigger and you can like see them from far. And the mountain that is nearby, so that has like the bigger poppies, right? Because you
Right.
can see it well.
Closer.
There's a closer, yeah, it's closer, and then that has some like yellow flowers, like all these flowers there. And then my main focus is this, the bigger poppies, and it feels like you're like on standing on that mountain and looking at the other mountains and taking a photo. So that's basically it.
Awesome.